Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine at your home. Stay at your home, be safe and be healthy. I am Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, your geography teacher from California Public School. Yes, dear students, we are starting the revision of our 6th class first chapter that's name is Representation of Geographical Features. And today date is 9 June 2020 and we further discuss about the first chapter. That's first now its topic is diagrams. So firstly rivers. What is a river? Rivers, the path of, we can say that, stream from where it originate. So the river generally originate from the mountains, either from a glacier or a spring. Place from where it start, from where it origin, is called a source. The place from where the river ends is called a mouth. So, from the source to its mouth, river divided into three parts: upper course, or we can say that young stage; middle course, we can say that mature stage; lower course, and it's a old stage. So that is the rivers. In upper course, speed of a river is too much fast. Middle course, it enters into the plain area and speed and energy both are decline. In the lower course, near about its end, so its speed and energy is very, very less. So next is meander. In the middle course of a river, when the river leaves the hilly areas and joins the, or we can say that comes to the plain area, that this, in that way the speed of river decreases and volume of water increases. So at this stage river twist, we can say that starts to move in a zigzag form, twist and turns, forming large bands. That bands we have to call the meanders. That bands we have to call what we meanders. So mostly they are formed erosional or depositional work of the river. So next is anticline and syncline. As you all know that our surface is not uniform. So there is a many elevation and depression on the earth's surface, and all these are caused with the various type of earth's movement. Some earth's movement that work inside the earth and some earth's movement that work on the surface of the earth. So those movements, we can say that force that work inside the earth, such type of forces we have to call the endogenic forces. And mostly these forces we call the folding. What is folding? When the two horizontal force act towards a common point from the opposite direction. दोनों opposite direction एक point के ऊपर दोनों side से push कर रहे हैं. So automatically that portion from where they have to push each other raised upside, and it results in a wave-like bands make. And such bands, upfold band rock we have to call the anticline, and downfolder rocks terra we have to syncline. So that is anticline, upfold, and downfold, syncline. So these are formed by the endogenic forces. So next is tributaries and distributaries. What is a tributary? Tributary is a small stream joins to a big water body. That is a tributary. And distributary, when a big water body divided into a small channels, and these small channels we have to call the distributaries. So when the river enters into lower course, or when the main river is approaching its mouth, so speed is declined, speed slow. So deposition sediments floor पर river होते हैं, and main channel gets divided into many streams, and these streams we have to call the distributaries. So next is delta. When the river enters into the lower course, the main work of river artesian is to deposit sediments on the beds of a river. So divided into many channels, and these channels led to the formation of delta. Mostly deltas are in the which shape? Triangular in shape. And largest delta in the world made by the river Ganga and Brahmaputra. And that delta's name is Sundarban Delta. So next is the block mountains. Which one? Block mountains. Block mountains are also formed by the faulting activity. Which activity? Faulting activity. So block mountains can be found by the two ways. By the two ways block mountains have formed. First one, when the land between the two faults जो almost parallel and raised above the adjoining areas, दोनों साइड से raised हो जाए. Second, when the land of the outer side fall slip, outer side की land slip हो जाए और center one की raised रह जाए, that is also called the block mountain. For example here, down one slip. So this and this are the block mountains. If this or this downside and that raised upside, so that is the block mountain here. Now sides bend and centers upraised, so that is the block mountain. So block mountains have the flat summit tops and steep slopes on the sides. जो विकोसी हैं यूरोप में, these are the famous block mountains. Hope all of you have listened it carefully and understand. So take care. Bye bye.